that's our next one. Today we're doing a chocolate mukbang. So first I'm going to start with this one.
What do you call that? Galaxy Smooth Milk. What else? What else do you have?
I'm going to eat it now.
First, you have to tell them what are the chocolates that you've got.
And I have
Malteser.
what?
Malteser. Show them.
Maltesers.
What else?
And this one.
That's a Hershey. What else?
And I have something open already.
That's Hershey. What else do you have? Twix.
Weeks.
Delight Tiffany.
Keys.
Chocolate. Almond chocolate. Flakes. Snickers. Let's show them. Galaxy, Maltesers, Hershey, Snickers, almond, Flakes, Delight, Twix, Coco Lover. Okay, you can open it.
Well, I think I'm going to start with this one. So how do you open this? There's tape on it. I'm going to open it. That's a nice one. So guys, I don't know how to open this. Ask my mommy. Well, I'm about to go. Okay, now I need to.
Okay, can you open something else first while I'm opening this?
Cookies. I'm dropping cookies. This one.
It's
Oh,
open.
thanks. Guys, now my mom opened it. That was good. And she was a so. Okay, now can I open this? Oh, Mom, can you eat this? No. What's one today?
It's melted.
And the chocolate is melted. Well, it's still going to be delicious.
Eat something else first while I'm opening this.
Okay. This one? Yeah. This is not open. Oh, I just got a trash bin somewhere.
Just keep it there.
It's gonna open. So guys, I'm gonna eat both of these. 3, 2, 1.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. That's a delicious, guys.
Which one is the best, the Snicker or the Hershey?
Both.
Which is the best?
This one. This one and this one.
What do you think is the flavor? What do you think is the flavor?
Chocolate cookie, Hershey, chocolate.
There is nuts on it?
Yeah. Here is nuts. And here has Oreo. Because look.
It's a Hershey with Oreo.
Yeah. I'm put this down.
Which one do you think is healthy? Is it the fruits or the chocolate?
Fruits. Those are yummy because grapes are yummy. Apples, some green grapes. And yeah.
But which one is healthy? The fruits or the chocolate?
Fruits. Also soup. I like soup.
Also soup? Which soup do you like? Carrot soup, mushroom soup, chicken or corn soup? Chicken soup?
What does that taste like? What does that taste like?
Which one?
Chicken soup.
It tastes like chicken. What else? So, how often do you eat chocolate? How often do you eat chocolates? What, 5?
5.
In 1 week, how many times you eat chocolate? 1 time? Why only 1 time? Because?
Because we are all the habits.
And then? Do you eat chocolates?
No, 1 time.
1 time. Because?
Because or else we'll get cavities and then no hurt. Then we have to go to the dentist.
What the dentist will do?
It will get the tooth out, but then change the tooth.
And then what else? What else the dentist will do?
Injection.
Injection. Do you like that? What the cavity? Can you repeat it? Why we are not allowed to eat chocolate all the time?
Because our cavities will come, and then we have to go to the dentist, and then turn off cavities, and then they'll give you injections.
Do you like the injection? So that means we cannot eat chocolates a lot. And what else that we're not allowed to eat all the time?
Gummy.
What else?
Marshmallow.
What else?
Lollipops.
What else? How about the chips? Are you allowed to eat chips? No. How about the soft drinks, the soda? Are you allowed to drink? Why we are not allowed to drink soda?
No.
We'll have
Water.
We'll get you a water in a while, okay? Finish your chocolate first.
Oh, my water. I want to have to drink water like because I'm thirsty. So let's start.
So when you eat chocolate, you are very thirsty, yeah?
Where's, so guys, this is when you open your chocolate and my mom
Open it, open it.
Mom.
What do you advise to the kids like you?
What?
What you can advise to the kids for eating chocolate?
I don't know.
You don't advise them to eat chocolate? Why? Because of their kidney, and what else? Because of their what?
Cavity.
Is there any vitamins in the chocolate?
No.
Yeah, I'll give you more. Is there any vitamins for eating chocolate?
Yeah.
What are the vitamins you'll get in the chocolates? What is the... See, there is 197 calories in a galaxy. The total fat will be 17, saturated 5, fat will be 35%. Sodium is 1%. Salt is 1%. The protein is 5%.
I want more.
1 second. So guys, this is the Galaxy smooth milk
And a cup.
and a cup for a water. And of course, these are the things that we have to remember, the nutrition facts. And always we have to see if it is expired or not, right, LJ?
Yeah.
Are you going to finish all of it? Why not?
No.
Why not?
Full of chocolate.
You've got lots of chocolates
I'm full.
and you are full.
I'm full.
Are you going?
Like, yeah.
You know AJ?
Yeah.
Can you give LJ lots of chocolate? Can you give LJ chocolates? When you go back to Philippines, right?
I will.
Say hi to AJ first.
Hi, AJ.
See you soon. Say.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, let's just show them all the chocolate. This is Malteser. It's actually in a special offer. And then it says here all the nutrition facts. It's all in Arabic. And then this is the flakes. Oh, it's upside down. It's in a special offer. And these are the nutrition that you will get. This is Twix. It's all in the special offer. And then this is a Hershey chocolate cookies and cream. This is a Snickers.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe my comment. Do you know what to do? So guys, I'm ready. Both of these. 3, 2, 1.
Is it yummy? Which one is the best, the Snicker or the Hershey?
Both.
Which is the best?
This one. This one and this one.
What do you think is the flavor? What do you think is the flavor?
Chocolate cookie, Hershey, chocolate.
There is nuts on it?
Yeah. Here is nuts. And here has Oreo. Because look.
It's a Hershey with Oreo.
Yeah. I'm put this down.
Which one do you think is healthy? Is it the fruits or the chocolate?
Fruits. Those are yummy because grapes are yummy. Apples, some green grapes. And yeah.
But which one is healthy? The fruits or the chocolate?
Fruits. Easy. Also soup. I like soup.
Also soup? Which soup do you like? Carrot soup, mushroom soup, chicken or corn soup? Chicken soup?
What does that taste like? What does that taste like?
Which one?
Chicken soup.
It tastes like chicken. What else?
Okay.
So, how often do you eat chocolate? How often do you eat chocolates? What, 5?
5.
In 1 week, how many times you eat chocolate? 1 time? Why only 1 time? Because?
Because we are all the
And then? Do you eat chocolates?
No. 1 time.
1 time. Because?
Because or else we'll get cavities and then no hurt. Then we have to go to the dentist.
What the dentist will do?
It will get the tooth out, but then changing the tooth.
And then what else? What else the dentist will do?
Injection.
Injection. Do you like that?